Ta-da! Here is it. Eating local. So welcome back, my amazing viewers, to another episode with Cook with Grace. Guess we. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. In this channel, everything about homemade cooking, that is all what you will get in this channel. So easy, anything that will satisfy your cravings and make your loved ones yearn for more. That is what this channel is all about. So in today's video, I'm sharing with you another traditional delicacy. Growing up back in the days, oh my god, this food happens to be one of the delicacies we don't do away with. Cocoyam. The Igbo dialects call it ede. Let me know what you call it in your own dialect at the comments below. Palm oil, onion with Ugba. Oh my god, this delicacy is something full of legacy. I mean, when I mean legacy, it's all about heritage. It's all about bond between your childhood. In fact, this food is a lifesaver. Growing up, this food happens to be a lifesaver, one of the lifesaver food. So I'll be sharing with you more of recipes about food that were a lifesaver during growing up, because when you get back from a hectic day, maybe you just come back from school, there is no food in the house. My sweetheart, you must find this food. Either cocoyam with palm oil and fresh pepper you get from the garden. This food happens to be one among the life-saving food. I think I'll be sharing more recipe on life-saving food, like growing up as a child, because there are this kind of food that they really save our lives. This is one food you know that you can't do away with. So I'll be sharing more of the recipe in this my channel, so stick to this channel so that you get to remember to take us back to our roots. I'm taking back a lot of us to our roots, because I know a lot of us have forgotten this life-saving food, but these foods are food that we cannot do without. So sweeties, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. So sweeties, if you find this food so interesting, if you find this food bringing you back to memory lane, your childhood more especially, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, like, share, comment, and also stick to this channel for more interesting recipe, because I'm taking you back to the memory lane. Okay, curl meal, this ede, cocoyam, and Ugba sauce as in pepper, Ugba. Okay, so see these. So I love you all, and I dedicate this food to my friend Cheta. I will tag her in this video because she is the reason why I start craving for this food, and the idea is talking to me of bringing back life-saving food back in the day. So I love you all. See you on my next one. Bye bye.